Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can install on your iPhone 6packs app. So for doing this you just need to go to App Store. So this app will help you to keep in fit your body, and I always install it on my phone and use it for maybe 2 or 3 months, and it's a really cool app. So just go to App Store and just write 6packs in 30 days, and here you will see this application 6pack in 30 days. So just click on get, here you will see, and just wait until it will successfully download and install it on your mobile phone. So after you do it, just click on open and it will open your app. So just choose get my plan. So here you can see that you can also choose one of two different options. So first it's build strong abs, and second lose belly fat. So for example, if we choose build strong ABC, so here you can see you can also choose how often you do exercises: beginner, intermediate, advanced. So we choose advanced. Next, and choose your male sex, you're male or female, and just get your plan. So here you can also see that you can use it 7 days for free, and another option is to pay $30 for a year. So just click start, and here you can see you will see different exercises. So just click start, and here you can see how you need to do this exercise. You need some time to concentrate and get ready for this exercise, and just do it. So after you do it, just click here and it will get you 10 seconds for rest. So, and next show you next exercise you need to do. So just wait 10 seconds and just start doing second exercise. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.